Um, Miss Brick Kitten here. It's 12:35 a.m. in the mountain time. But hey, if you follow my Instagram, then you know my favorite robot, Stabby, the space Roomba, got destroyed at a show last weekend. And so it was a good time and a good impetus to go ahead and rebuild the little guy from scratch. Right now I have just his tracks are original from the last build he was. These are probably going to get modified. I just left them together because a lot of work went into them. But the body has been totally been completely reconfigured. Just tore it completely apart. And his brain box is still intact as well, because that's the thing. A lot of work went into it. Anyhow, let me switch cameras here, and let's go over here to this camera. And I've been working on his new shell and frame. And one of the main keys I wanted to do was get his head to rotate 360 degrees. So I got a slip ring together and I modified a 24 tooth gear and pressed fit that into one of these turntables. So there's a slip ring within a 24 tooth gear pressed into this guy, and that allows this wiring harness right here. There's 12 wires here, but it allows this wiring harness to rotate 360 without the wires tangling. It's one of those nice little things that if you don't know about, it's a cool thing. Alright, and so let's just do a quick little demonstration, get it onto camera. So as you can see, right now I'm just using the Lego power functions just for testing. Just using one of these little controllers right here. Alright, so as you can see, watch those wires, they're not tangling up. The other half of the wiring harness is down here, and as you can see, they're not tangling up here. I have a 40 tooth connected to the black ring of the turntable. It's connected down here to an M motor, which is connected to a half bevel that's connected to the small bevel, double bevel right there. A little bit of a grind on the gears still, but nothing too bad. Still got to work on the reinforcement of everything. But the main key is that the little guy's head will be able to go 360. It'll be much nicer once I have it attached to the RC components, because the RC components will allow me to have much smoother control over the motor. Much higher gradients, more steps between how fast I can make the motor run. I can also make the motor run shorter distances by using the RC and programming the radio for it to do less at once. I can limit how fast the turntable will move. Anyhow, everyone, that's just a quick update for now on what I'm working on. And if you like what you see, give me a like, give me a follow, and subscribe and see what I come up with next in my crazy little kitty cat robot building insanity. Thanks, everyone. Have a great night.